Hi, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Benny Sticks, and you're on my flip side. I got Ike Man here. I'm gonna give him some haircuts.
Yeah. Don't give me your best, nigga. Give me your best. I believe on you.
Yeah.
Now we started.
There's the clipper. Go on it like this.
What do you go like? That's a sticks.
It's on the heads. Strip it off like this.
After using the first guard, this is exactly how the hair will look like. It's gonna look like this, like this, like this. Now the next thing is that you now bring it
Down. Slowly. That's how you blend it. Slowly. Take a jiggle.
Don't get it twisted. I'm using the same method on the other side as well.
This is how the other side looks like. Also do the same. Give it a loop. Bring it down. Down. Make it look smooth. Good. Chic. We are now done with the sidings. All the sides are cool. We are now gonna give the hair some trimming. Gonna trim the hair so it looks good, it looks nice on it. And this is how you do it. Make sure the clip cover is intact. And you move slowly. Slowly. Gently. We are now on the carving stage. This is how you rub your powders on your hands. You rub it a little bit. Then you swing the clip and you grab it like this. Make sure the forehead is straight.
Pretty sexy mamacita, got a body of a goddess. Be my girl, you won't regret it. My baby girl, I love you, no be lie. Yeah, you dey bust my eye anytime when I dey see ya. Yeah, and for my eye, you know say no be lie, where I go give ya. Be my girl, you won't regret it. My baby girl, I love you, no be lie. Whoa, I love you, girl. I need you, girl. I love you, girl. Yeah, I need you, girl. Girl, you my spec. Girl, you're my world. A full description of my sensuous rose. Classy and ice. Mommy is
Yo, this is the final stage of the haircut. This is what I call Afro dread haircut by me. I myself. Thanks for watching on my flip side. This is Ike Man. Thanks. Make sure you subscribe for more of my videos just in case you got corrections or you have questions. You can drop it in my comment box.